Hey guys, very good morning to all of you. So let me start the session with my introduction first. My name is Pushkar Ranjan, bearing USN number 1VE20CS119, currently studying in 6th semester in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at SVC Bangalore. The subject for which I'm carrying this session is for renewable energy sources. The subject code is 18EE653 and the topic for which I am going to discuss with you is heliostat field collector. Coming to the next slide. This is the front view of the collector. How the collector can be seen from the upper side. That's what it has been shown here. It's nothing but consists of the receiver, the heliostat on which the sun rays are coming and reflected towards the receiver, and the tower on which the receiver has been placed. The heliostats are nothing but the mirrors which helps in the reflection of the sun rays towards the receiver, right? So this is the back side of the collector. Means up to receiver we saw in the first diagram, that is up to receiver we have seen in the first diagram. Now back side of receiver, what the things are there we are going to see. So we are having the heat exchanger, we are having the pump, we are having the condenser, we are having the cooling tower, electrolyzer. These are all the things are used to produce the electricity and supply for the needy person. Now, I would like to discuss for the design of the heliostat field collector. The first point, to generate the electricity through source solar energy. In the solar thermal power point, the heliostat concentrates the sun rays reflected in the fixed point or area distant from the heliostat where solar collectors are located. Second point, in astronomy, the mechanism is used to observe the sun without changing the observation device orientation. This point means that without changing the orientation, we have to collect more and more, or you can say the maximum sun rays, so that it can absorb more by the receiver. And the third point is in the field of geodesy, the heliostat is used to transmit the light signal over long distances. Now, let me tell you about the working of the heliostat field collector. The principle is that a heliostat is a device that continually tilts a mirror or multiple mirror facets to track the sun's movement to reflect sunlight towards a predetermined target, such as a receiver sitting on the top of the solar tower. That means the heliostat is nothing but the orientation of the mirror in such a way that it used to get track the sun's movement and it reflects the sun rays towards the receiver. The working, the heliostat collects and concentrates the sunlight onto the receiver which absorbs the concentrated sunlight as I discussed just now, transferring its energy to a heat fluid. The transportation system is consisting of pipe, valves, and the pumps direct the fluid in a closed loop among the receiver and the power consumption system. The power consumption is connected to steam turbine and steam turbine which produces the electricity and supply to the utility grid. Now, let me tell you about the advantages of the heliostat field collector. In the case of photovoltaic solar energy, it allows a tremendous amount of solar radiation to be concentrated on the same solar panel. In this way, it is possible to increase the performance of the photovoltaic panel. The next, in the photovoltaic system, the use of heliostat is cheaper because we can reach the same sun exposed surface using fewer voltaic panels. The third, It is economical to make better use of one planet's primary source of renewable energy. Means what we can say is that using the heliostat field collector, we are having so many advantages. It can be a kind of renewable energy. Yes, of course, we can use this in the form of renewable energy. We can use this for the photovoltaic solar energy also. Like as much heliostat collectors we are using, we are able to increase the performance of the photovoltaic panels also, right? So this is all about my session. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.